your death. Nice. Bird person.
Tammy, I was approaching infertility when I met you, but there is still time. I am yours until my...
I now pronounce you Squanch and Bird Person.
I am not staring at you. I am a cyborg photographer. Just act natural. This is a candid shot. I don't require a camera, so...
Will somebody
sorry.
just help me get her?
Fine, whatever. Morty, stay.
Oh god! Oh crap! Oh crap!
Get out! Get out!
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Get the fuck out of the flying machine!
Oh my god! Okay, okay!
Back the fuck up!
For what it's worth, I'm sorry, but that's not really worth anything tonight, is it?
You can't leave us here!